Hello, my name is Pharmacist Michael, and one of my TikTok followers asked me to do a video on bergamot, so that's exactly what is coming your way.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Bergamot oil, squeezed out from the skin of a special kind of orange, has been a favorite for a really long time, especially around the sunny shores of the Mediterranean. This isn't just any orange, though. It's got a scent that can make you think of a mix of sweet candy, fresh citrus, and a bouquet of flowers all at once. But it's not just a treat for your nose. People have been using it to feel better in their heads and on their skin. And science is starting to agree with what folks have known for years. Ever felt a lift after smelling something really nice? That's what bergamot oil is all about. It's like a natural mood booster. When you take a whiff, it can help take the edge off stress and anxiety, making you feel more upbeat. Scientists think it's because the oil tells your brain to pump out more of the feel-good stuff like dopamine and serotonin. Imagine it as a friendly pep talk for your brain cells. There was this study where people hanging out in a room that smelled like bergamot ended up feeling more chilled out and less stressed. They even checked their stress hormone levels to prove it. Another study found that sniffing bergamot made people feel more positive and energetic. So it's not just about smelling good. It's like a little helper for when you're feeling down or stressed. Bergamot oil isn't just about making you feel good. It's also got your back when it comes to skin troubles. Whether you're dealing with annoying acne, itchy eczema, or angry psoriasis, this oil can help by fighting off germs and calming down inflammation. But there's a heads up you need. Bergamot oil has this stuff in it that doesn't like the sun much. If you put it on your skin and then go sunbathing, you might end with a bad sunburn or a rash. The good news is you can find bergamot oil without the sun-hating part, or just make sure to stay in the shade after using it. All of the good things people say about bergamot oil are starting to get some backup from science. Studies are showing it can actually do a lot of the things folks have used it for over the years. But just like with anything, it's smart to use it wisely. If you're thinking about turning your home into a bergamot-scented paradise or dabbing some on your skin, just remember to keep it light and maybe chat with a doctor, especially if you've got other health stuff going on. Imagine your heart is like a garden hose. If it's kinked or the water pressure is too high, it doesn't work well. Bergamot is like a friendly garden gnome that comes along to unkink the hose and adjust the pressure so everything flows smoothly again. This special citrus fruit, bursting with compounds that are good for the heart, has been shown to help people with high blood pressure chill out a bit. It's all thanks to some clever ingredients in bergamot called flavonoids, which help the blood vessels relax and widen, making it easier for blood to travel through your body without pushing too hard against the vessel walls. When it comes to cholesterol, think of it as a team of good and bad players in your bloodstream. The bad ones, LDL cholesterol, are like litter bugs, dropping trash along your arteries, which can clog them up. The good ones, HDL cholesterol, are like the cleanup crew picking up after the litter bugs to keep your arteries clear. Too many litter bugs and not enough cleanup crew can lead to heart trouble. Here's where bergamot steps in, acting like a superhero for the cleanup crew. Studies have found that bergamot can help reduce the number of litter bugs and boost the cleanup crew, making it a great helper in managing cholesterol levels. Free radicals are like tiny troublemakers causing chaos in our bodies, leading to damage that can pile up over time. This can set the stage for chronic diseases, including heart issues, diabetes, and even some cancers. Antioxidants are the bodyguards that keep these troublemakers in check. Bergamot is packed with these protective antioxidants, including vitamin C and those handy flavonoids again, offering your cells an extra shield against damage and keeping your heart and blood vessels in better shape. So, bergamot oil is more than just a delightful fragrance. It's a natural powerhouse packed with benefits that can uplift your mood, soothe your skin, and even give your heart health a boost. From the sunny Mediterranean to our homes, this special citrus has made a long journey, providing itself as a trusted companion for both mental and physical well-being. Its ability to ease stress and anxiety, combat skin issues, and support a healthy heart showcases its versatility and the reason it's been cherished for centuries. Whether it's the sweet, mood-lifting aroma moving through your living space or the soothing touch on your skin, bergamot oil offers a slice of nature's best. And with science starting to uncover the hows and whys behind its traditional uses, we have even more reason to welcome this citrus wonder into our lives. But as with all good things, a little caution and wisdom in its use will ensure that we can enjoy all the benefits without any unwelcome surprises. So whether you're diffusing oil for a breath of fresh air, applying it to heal your skin, or looking into its heart-friendly properties, bergamot stands out as a natural remedy worth exploring. Remember, though, that bergamot is part of a bigger picture when it comes to health. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and consulting with healthcare professionals are key to a happy heart and a healthy life. Bergamot just might be the extra zest we need, adding a bit of natural goodness to our day-to-day wellness journey. If you know anyone who would benefit from this video, please send it to them. If you would like more information on living a happy, healthy life, please subscribe to our channel. We release 3 brand new videos each week. I've also placed some links to products I recommend to improve your health in the description section of this video. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.